Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Chromakey in InShot. If you have ever wanted to create some cool green screen effects on your videos, today's tutorial is for you. It's super easy and you can do it all right from your phone. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the video option and choose one video that you want to edit. Now tap onto right. To apply the Chromakey effect, tap onto the video and slide to the right for the toolbar, and here you can find the cutout option. Now tap on it. Here you can find the option of chroma. Simply select it. Here you can see the color picker. Now select the area that you want to add the chroma effect like this. And from here you can also change the strength and shadows of the chroma effect. And after choosing the chroma effect, simply tap onto the check mark. And that's how you use the Chromakey feature in InShot. It's very simple and easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.